This logo intro template will work with Premiere Pro 2018, 12.1 or above versions. Let me show you how to edit this template. Open project. Here you can see the logo and text sequence. You can add your logo and text here. Let's import any logo. Place it to the logo sequence. Make sure your logo is inside the circle. Hide circle and text layer. Now go to the text sequence. Let's add text here. I have used Montserrat font. This logo looks a little smaller. Let's scale it. Also changing its position. Trying it to keep it in the center. The logo color is gray. I am changing its color. I am applying tint effect on it. Change its color to orange. Let's also change the text color. Now let's change particle and flares color. Go to particle animation sequence, then particle sequence. Select particle, go to the effects control panel. Change color and tint effect. Also, change flares color. Text color isn't matching with logo color, so I am changing text color. Now it's looking good. That's it. Thanks for watching.